Hello, this is B Fields, and this presentation will walk you through how to download Filezilla, which is a free file transfer program that will give you the ability to move large files like audio and video from your computer over to your web hosting company or over to your website. So the first thing that you'll want to do is to go to Google and type in the word Filezilla, and the very first link that will pop up will be the link that we want, which is the free FTP solution called Filezilla. You'll simply click on the download Filezilla link. You will find your operating system. Filezilla is compatible with all operating systems, and you'll simply click on the setup file. That download will start in about 5 seconds. And then you will click to save the file, and you'll see that it's saving up here in my download area. And once the download is finished, you'll simply run the setup. And say yes, say that you'll agree, and just continue clicking next, next, and install, and the program will run. You're looking for this little red icon, the FZ with a little stamp around it. And now you'll start Filezilla. Okay. Sometimes it will ask you to install new components, and so I'm doing that now. What it's doing is detecting the latest installation of Filezilla, and we're finished. Okay, so now we have Filezilla open, and what we need to do is to put our host name, our username, and our password in the 3 blanks above. If you do not have this information, then I would recommend that you contact your hosting company and ask them to please send you your FTP information for your website. My host name is bfields.com. My username is 5star, and then I won't tell you my password because it is secret, but you will have your own password. And once those 3 blanks are filled, you can then connect over on the right to your website. So on the left, you will see my desktop. I'm actually showing you my pictures folder. And on the right, we have all of my websites that are under the bfields sites, or the bfields main site. So I'm going to open bfields.com, and I'm going to open the folder called B's Pictures. And let's say I want to move this blogmaniac.png over to the right. I'm simply going to click it and drag it over to the right. And now it will load into my website. So if I want to show that picture as a link, I would simply add the name to the end. So the link is going to be this. I'm going to take out this little hash mark, And I'm just going to enter that, and as you can see, we have a new graphic showing. That's the graphic that's blogmaniac.png. You can do the very same thing with, say, an audio file. If I go back to bfields.com, I'll see that I have some audios here. And let's just say this test audio, bfields.com audio /test.mp3. And I will copy that into a browser. And hit enter. And then that test audio opens and starts playing. So you will need a link like this in order to actually play a podcast on your blog. So just know that you will need a program like Filezilla. There are others. There's probably 100 of these different types of programs, but we recommend Filezilla because it does work very well. It works with all operating systems, and it is free, and it's safe. It's secure. So once again, go out to Google, type in Filezilla, download the Filezilla client, open it, and then plug in your host name, username, password, and then you can start moving files back and forth from your website to your desktop or your desktop to your blog. So like as an example, if I wanted to move this over here, I wouldn't want it in my pictures, but I might want it in my documents. I could just drag this over here, and this Blogging for Bankers MP3 would start loading. You can see it loading down here below. And now it's on my desktop, and I can edit or play with it, do whatever I need to. So that's it for this presentation. Thank you for watching, and good luck using Filezilla.